5 steps to targeted traffic. If you're looking for traffic, if you're looking for how to do it properly, this profit boosting bootcamp review can really help you get traffic. And I know you want to because you clicked on this video and you want something special. And I'm gonna go ahead and break this down, but I wanna show you exactly what I'm talking about on this page. My name is Adam Shelton and welcome to this video training today. And this is a Super Affiliate Network profit boosting bootcamp review. And we're talking about 5 steps to targeted traffic that actually converts, So right below this video, click on the link below to get started with this profit boosting bootcamp. When you go ahead and sign up, when you talk to your advisor, tell them you want the profit boosting bootcamp right now. So let's go ahead and dive into this content. Now, this is module 9 review. And don't forget, watch all of our module reviews that we've done on the profit boosting bootcamp to help you grow your online business today. So here is the scaling your cash flow module 9 review. Now, in this video right here, you actually see me. Well, you don't see me, you hear my voice, and I talk about the 5 steps to targeted traffic. Now, here what I'm going to talk about here. This is what I'm saying, is that you need traffic, targeted traffic to whatever business that you're promoting. That way you can grow your business. I don't care who you are. I don't care if you're Amazon. I don't care if you're an Apple. I don't care if you're a sports team. You still need an audience. You still need advertising for them to go ahead, watch your product, and go ahead and enjoy your product. Now, let me play a little bit of this video right here, and this give you a sneak preview exactly what targeted traffic and 5 steps. I'm just going to play a little bit of the video to give you just a little bit of a preview. That's me right there.
Think. Simply not understanding the strategic mindset behind the actually traffic generation process. They focus on the tactics of traffic generation versus the actual strategy on the underlying foundation. Most people start going in one too many directions, and as a result, they make...
Okay, I'm gonna pause it right there. You hear my voice. I was trying to kind of just put a little bit into there. You know, I played it first. But you see that as a result, they make little or any progress because you need to understand the method of traffic. And that's what the Super Affiliate Network really teaches you in terms of the profit boosting bootcamp, in terms of the review and the training, but the whole program itself. So click on the link below to get started. Learn targeted traffic, learn how to build your online business correctly. Now, results are not typical, but one thing I would tell you, once you actually go through this profit boosting bootcamp, you're going to get a lot of value, a ton of value. That's one thing I would say about that. So when you click on the link below, and you go through the profit boosting bootcamp and you come to module number 9, I want you to watch this video. Just about 26 minutes long. You hear my voice, talk about traffic, targeted traffic, which is really important, that converts. And then after that, I want you to fill out this information right below this module. And this information will go to your actually advisor, and he or she will review the information in terms of your takeaway. Put a email address that is actually email address that you check, a good email address, and then put your biggest takeaways with things you learned about it, with some things that you did not understand in terms of that video or in terms of the training in this module. So make sure you go ahead and do that. So this is targeted traffic. It's really important for anybody when you're basically building a business. If you're a beginner, if you're intermediate, or if you're advanced, you do need to understand start targeted traffic, and the 5 steps to do that will be in this training as well. All right, my name is Adam Shelton. Thank you for watching this review today. Don't forget, if you're not part of the Profit Boosting Bootcamp, click on the link below to get started. And I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe as well. Comment, like it, and go ahead and also subscribe to this channel. Hit that bell notification when you get videos just like this. All right, I'll see you next time. Don't forget to click on the link below to get started.